Competitive exams special. Topic is taxonomy. False statements regarding natural system of classification. Options. Characters of evolutionary importance were not considered. Option B. Floral characters were given greater importance since they are conserved. Option 3. It is an easy means of identification. Option 4. Lower the taxon, more the groups. Now the answer is 2. Floral characters were given greater importance since they are conserved. Sequential order of 4 basic components of taxonomy is options classification, B nomenclature, C identification, D characterization. Now see the options. D, B, C, A, option 2, A, B, A, C, B, D, option 3, C, B, D, A, option 4, D, C, B, A. The answer is 4. Sequential order of 4 basic components of taxonomy is characterization, identification, nomenclature, and classification. Alpha taxonomy is primitive taxonomy, descriptive taxonomy, natural taxonomy, taxonomy based on only morphological characters. The answer is 2. Alpha taxonomy is descriptive taxonomy. Lineage classification of plants is based on form, habitat, stamens, vegetative characters. Answer is 3. Stamens. Natural order of B and H classification is equal to present day. B and H means Bentham and Hooker's classification. Options: orders, series, families, general. The answer is 3. Families. Engler and Parnell's classification is artificial system, natural system, APG system. Option 4. Phylogenetic system. The answer is 4. Engler and Parnell's classification is phylogenetic system. Florets are equal to present day. Orders, families, series. Option 4. Subclass. The answer is orders. 1. Considering hundreds of characters and each character is given equal importance in options 1. Natural, natural system, numerical taxonomy, option 3. Phylogenetic system, option 4. Omega taxonomy. The answer is 2. Numerical taxonomy. True statement regarding artificial system of classification is anatomy is one of the criteria for the system of classification. Option 2. Number of petals can be the criteria of the class for the classification. Option 3. Identification of an unknown plant is difficult. Option 4. Species plantorium is natural system of classification. The answer is 2. Number of petals can be the criteria for the classification. True statement regarding Liliaceae family is undistinguished perianth. Option 2. Anterior odd petal, zygomorphic flowers. Fourth one, trimerious flowers. The answer is options 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, option 3, 2, 3, 4, option 4, 1, 2, 4. Now choose the correct answer. Option 4, 1, 2 and 4. True statement regarding Bentham and Hooker's classification. The statements are: it is a natural system of classification. It is published after Darwin's Origin of Species. It is the classification of only flowering plants. They published the book in the name Historia Plantarum. Now the options: 1 and 2, option 2, 2 and 3, option 3, 2 and 4, option 4, 1, 2 and 3. The answer is 4. Assertion: a grouping of plants into herbs, shrubs and trees is an artificial reason, or it is not showing any evolutionary tendencies. Option 1. Both A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option 2. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option 3. A is true, R is false. Option 4. A is false, R is true. Now the answer is 2. Common name of Solanum nigrum is Ashwagandha, Daking, Kamanchi. Option 4. Thorn apple. Now the answer is 3. Scientific name of Ashwagandha is Solanum nigrum, Penitula alba, Withnea somnifera, Datura metal. The answer is 3. Scientific name of Ashwagandha is Withnea somnifera. Most important identification character of Fabaceae is leaf base, odd sepal, single carpel, corolla estivation. Now the answer is 4. Problems of taxonomy like grouping unrelated taxa can be solved by hematotaxonomy, natural system, option 3 numerical taxonomy, option 4 artificial classification. Answer is 1. Chemotaxonomy. Self-pollinating plants of Fabaceae are Dolichos syrah, Pisum lalthyrus, option 3 Dolichos pisum, option 4 lalthyrus and glycine. Now the answer is 2. True statement regarding phylogenetic system of classification is: there are of post-Darwin period, primitive plants are placed in the beginning of the classification. It is easy to understand. Option 4 identification of the plants is very easy. Now the clues. Options: option 1 1 and 2, option 2 2 and 3, option 3 1 2 and 3, option 4 1 3 and 4. Now the answer is 1 and 2. Assertion: A. Sexual characters are more useful in taxonomy. Reason are sexual characters do not change much in the evaluation. Both A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option 2. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 3. A is true, R is false. Option 4. A is false, R is true. The answer is 1. Number of chromosomes is considered in numerical taxonomy, chemotaxonomy, cytotaxonomy, phylogenetic system. Answer is 3. Cytotaxonomy. Plants used as fodder: Sesbina and Tiprosia, Glycine and Archis, Dalbergia and Petrocarpus. Option 4 Crotalaria and Phaseolus. Now the answer is 4. Status of Thalmiflorae in Bentham and Hooker's classification is: Options: series, subclass, natural order, class. The answer is 1. Common character of Solanum, capsicum and Lycopersicum is pollination method. Option 2, fruit. Option 3, inflorescence. Option 4, economic importance. The answer is 2. True statement regarding vexillary estivation is: keel petals are fused, standard petal is anterior most, keel petals encloses 6 organs, up 4, standard petal is the smallest. Now the option: 1 and 2, option 2 1 and 3, option 3 2 and 3, option 4 2 and 4. The answer is 2, 1 and 3. Assertion: a stamen and petals fall at the same time in Solensis. Reason: stamen are epithelial in Solensis. Both A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option 2, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 3, A is true, R is false. Option 4, A is false and R is true. Now the answer is 1. Consideration of many morphological characters is a natural system of classification, omega taxonomy, phylogenetic system of classification, numerical taxonomy. The answer is 1. Natural system of classification. Problems of taxonomy like grouping unrelated taxa can be solved by chemotaxonomy, natural system, numerical taxonomy, artificial classification. The answer is 1. Chemotaxonomy. Assertion: leaves are radical in ileum. Reason: entire stem is underground in ileum. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option 3, A is true, R is false. Option 4, A is false, R is true. Now the answer is 1. Total number of angiospermic families in Bentham and Hooker's classification is 202, 165, 199, option 4 34. The answer is 3, 199. True statement regarding Zynoecium of Datura is tetracarpellary, option 2 unilocular, option 3 free center presentation, option 4 carpels arranged obliquely. The answer is 4. Gynoecium matures earlier than stamens in option 1 calcium, option B Ellium, option 3 Yucca, option 4 Glorossia. Answer is 1. Stamens in Ellium cepa are 6 in a single row, epiphyllous, transverse dehiscence, and option 4 monothecous. The answer is 2. Which of the following can be represented in a floral formula? Superior ovary axial presentation. Option 2 zygomorphic flower, inferior ovary. Option 3 petals 5, twisted estivation. Option 4 unisexual female flower, perigenous flower. The answer is 2. Economic use of sun hemp is fiber yielding, medicinal, oil yielding, dye yielding. The answer is 1. Fiber yielding. Leaf vegetable from Fabaceae family is Darius indica, Crotalaria gensea, Trigonella phoenigraham. Option 4 Pisum sativum. Answer is 3. Reticulate venation is monocot plant is seen in options A. Spanish dagger, option 2. Sarsaparilla, option 3. Meadow saffron, option 4. Glory lily. The answer is 2. Total number of charts in B and H classification 15, option 2 25, option 3 10, option 4 21. The answer is 2 25. In aerial stem modification is seen in option 1 Colchium, option 2 Gloriosia, option 3 Ruscus, option 4 Smilax. The answer is 3. Number of stamens in mustard plant are option 1 5, option 2 4, option 3 6, option 4 10. The answer is 6. Inflorescence in is panicle in option 1 Datura, option 2 Solanium, option 3 Nicotiana, option 4 Petunia. The answer is 3 Nicotiana.